There are two options for how to print your documents in FreightDesk Online. The first way is to rely on the printing functionality of your browser. It requires no setup, but it's the least capable in terms of directing different types of documents to different printers. If you're new to FreightDesk Online, relying on the browser print manager is a convenient way to gain some experience without having to tackle the complexity of setting up printers. The second way is to use the FreightDesk Online print manager. It requires installing an app that will send print jobs for specific types of documents to specific printers. For example, if you want to use a thermal printer to print 4x6 inch labels for your FedEx or UPS shipments, but a laser printer to print 8.5 by 11 inch packing slips, you can do so. The focus of the rest of this video will be on how to use the FreightDesk Online print manager. If you want to use the browser print manager instead, make sure that choice is reflected on your screen and you're good to go. If you want to take advantage of the FreightDesk Online print manager, continue watching this video. When you select the FreightDesk Online print manager, you will see some links appear on the right-hand side of your screen. These are links to operating system specific installation packages for the FreightDesk print manager software. Click on the link that corresponds to your computer's operating system and follow the prompts to complete the installation process. At the conclusion of the installation process, you will see the message FDPM successfully connected. Next, click on the Document Options link adjacent to the document type you'd like to associate with the printer. A modal will appear on the right of your screen. Click on the Load Install Printers button to gain visibility to the printers that are set up on your computer. Select the printer you want to use for the document type and click Save. Repeat this for each document type listed for the FreightDesk Print Manager. When you're done, you should have a printer identified for each type of document. Each document, when printed, will be sent to the printer you identified.